come. Don't they waste time to shake it bum bum. Ricky fresh come, Ricky tom tom. Fatty bum bum, money don't come. I don't jump up, no they vex for me. I see, serve them round two. Money they worry me, so I don't worry them.
Them plenty for that. Hey, them plenty for that. Hey, big boy, them plenty for that. Hey, them plenty for that. Hey, oh she them plenty for that. Hey, them plenty for that. Hey, look, them plenty for that. Oh yeah, see them plenty for that.
Another stars, then they feel my demo. Look at them, I look me, him. Now the prince of Ephese. No be rice, no be beans. Make you no mind anything them talk. Make you no mind anything they yard. No go talk anything they yard. But now you get your life, oh.
The more you look, the less you see. No forget as you are looking at me. You did do your face like Winchy.
Look, if not this thing I drink, if not this thing I drink,
you they sound like saying Paman you drink. The chorus for me now. Wow, this is a good voice, man.
Yeah, with the sound.
Everybody in Paman with a drink.
Chai.
No problem. When I go see
people when they watch now, anybody will call your naming ceremony. When enter transport come. They go call it, we say, I beg, that money I enter transport, go this speaking.
I need to collect them back.
Where I get them?
They'll be joyous. They'll be glad.
Regularly, we don't show again, we don't show. This
we don't juggle. Me, I don't juggle. AI, I don't juggle. That's an glad.
Producer.
Today.
We have a problem. We have a problem in the bar. Today.
Please, producer, I want to in your
see, I just hear songs of those days, like songs like For Their Own Time, Naruma Shinab. My God. In the man, not sing for Nakai. Oh,
who do you listen, eh?
Who
do you listen, eh?
Who
do you listen? May breeze blowing left ear.
I'm telling you. No, they talk any language that they use now. If they remind me of song now. I hear you say, who do this? Who did this speech go fall inside? Any big like for you, jump and pass.
I beg yes, so I don't say we don't show again. That's what we kind of call giving a better infotainment, entertainment, and jollificating things on top BOBOS yarn. And I do my normal criminals them. Chakra.
I am so amazed and shocked at the same time at the performance of Showman.
You love it today. You love it?
I won't say I'm loving it.
That's a Grammy winning.
Yeah, in this bar.
Okay, that's a Grammy winning performance.
Because I don't understand. I don't understand Oyibo. Speak what I understand.
Ogo, see, don't be like this. If you get into it, what else?
Because
come, wait.
What do you want to talk
I know say cranking matter a very serious matter. We need to talk about it.
Yes. That is why we are here. We are
the things what they talk bless this one don't. I
tell you now.
You know how I pass Showman.
Cranking.
No.
Madness is different.
My own.
Every day this bar. 80% of everything we've been saying
is about cranking.
Why can't be said today say we won't talk about cranking?
Cranking matter is very, very necessary. I beg. How you go feel? I just imagine this thing.
Make it be good to one talk.
How person go feel? And you say what you did for house, how you go feel if after you marry person, you can't find out, say, your man, they impo, and your wife, na Barren.
Impotent and Barren.
No, wait. At the same time, I be
either a man you be, your wife.
If a man you be, you know,
and she don't tell you before you don't
tell you before you marry.
Wow.
You know, and you will be guy self. You know, say your machine gun no fish bullet.
In another news, she feel no because that way they say she no tell you.
No, we are saying she know.
He no tell you.
We are saying
this issue is on the level of she know.
She can't tell you after now. Say,
but
she don't want to tell you.
Okay.
So we don't want to tell you that.
He just keep on to himself.
Most times, see, men also, if now this is happen to man now, say his wife they barren, he no tell you. Now serious matter we know. You understand? But the problem is say you see sometimes you need to also check. Love fit make person do am. But I don't want sound like say I be chauvinist or say I be sexist, I support man.
Biko break.
I don't know how to break am. I be say I support man.
Okay.
Because if man no tell woman saying they impotent, he no go fit give am belle.
Yeah.
If he be say because the man really love the babe, you understand?
But I believe say anything where you love, you guys make am.
No, but wait, you know how say you get how you go love girl, but you know say if you tell the girl this thing, she no go marry you. So you keep quiet.
But you feel
I feel saying a selfishness with that one.
Now you get where they look and go say man get more advantage if na woman na dey marry.
Yes.
You know say if na man na be impotent, you know say na big problem. The woman if the marriage will break automatically. But if na man dey impotent and the man really love his wife, the marriage fit dey, you understand? Okay. And then some things will happen.
No, wait.
Outside, you understand?
Wait,
no,
say it again. Say it again. If a man is what?
Man, then they marry. I mean, if not the man, then they impotent. Sorry. That marriage is still fit day if there's love.
Why?
Now, listen now. Because woman feel accept the condition, say, okay, go get another wife or go get pikin outside.
Hold on.
I don't believe say these days any woman go agree. Say make her husband go marry another woman.
Shakara don't do with yourself.
If love dey there for a guy like me, it said na me dey that shoe. Where we say okay, I marry. The person no fit give me children. Unto say you get and now, but waiting I go recommend. Na say adoption. Because if you don't wait, if you don't bring in another wife,
young man,
if you don't bring in another woman, an issue. Young man, I'm telling you.
No, they carry us go. They carry us go. Wait, we just come this bar. No, they carry us go solution.
I don't carry go solution. I just tell you.
Wait.
Even as you talk of this,
we never even drop points.
Even
the solution.
No even fear of the solution. Because the solution no even work.
In solution. You know why? No, you know what's happening? We're gonna let me counter you. That's why you need to analyze, because he was saying something where I agree. He said that the man, they impotent. If you go marry. Why? No, listen. You know why?
Now possibility with a look.
Listen.
Now wait.
I want to explain why you want to explain your point again.
I'm not explaining. I want Adam. I want Arthur so that it would be difficult for you to
me.
Counter.
I'm ready for you. Go ahead.
If now the woman, they marry and they love each other and they can't get agreement, say make somebody.
No change. Stay on the man first.
Now, we make somebody get somebody. It's easy for a woman to go get another husband while still in that marriage. Is it possible?
Now listen.
It's not possible. You understand?
Don't confuse
but
me.
it's very possible in Africa for a man to go get another wife.
You have said your point. A man when they impotent, it means say you no fit give woman belle abi. You can't talk say that the man dey impotent, if he go marry another wife. No. Listen.
No. Say if na the woman.
I hear them. That's why I say make I talk. That is why I said let me explain to you. Now listen. Listen, I heard you clearly. Listen. Your beginning point was this. Now, if a man, it is worse for a man to be the one that has the problem. If now the woman get the problem, the woman fit tell the man, say, you know wetin, go crank another person, you understand?
That's what I was saying.
Imagine if na the man ain't get problem. The wife dey very fertile. He hard make man tell his wife, say, go crank another man.
You just want to use another voice, say repeat what I talk.
No, you don't hear yourself the first time. The first time.
I correct them. When I said, if na the man, na dey Barren, immediately I say if na the woman, you understand? Because na slip of teeth.
Me, I hear you clearly. Now I be try to make you go allow make I talk.
Because Kaimen I go for street. Well, I be a channel. I continue the discussion. I'm here. These two people make it here. It's in a one. No, I go for street. I be a channel.
Ide Barren. You will have to seek for prayer.
It's God that gives children. And you have to pray to God, fast, pray. Maybe 1 year, 2 years along the line. God will bless you. God will not bless you.
You love what you get for the person where you marry. Supposed to keep you in the marriage, then find a solution to the marriage. You don't see people where they marry 9 years, 10, 12 years, they never born. You understand? That love will keep you in the marriage.
Well, you know, in African tradition, in-laws go talk, society self go put pressure on top you.
Then, okay, you call the pressure where they come from mama and papa and family, and then the husband plays, the wife plays. You understand? What make you go marry another wife?
Now to go adopt speaking now.
Adopt now. That's the next option. You know, now when you did that situation, you go decide what you go do.
It happen more now. Say people go marry and they no go born. We don't see them. They happen more now past before. You understand? So for some people, before they even enter the marriage, they're supposed to say, okay, what if she no born? That's for them. Will not be for us. For me, I go born.
I don't make the choice. I don't make the choice. So it's no be because of the king where we will get. Will make me marry the person why I want marry. Now because I want day with the person.
When we are getting married, now for better for us we talk now. So we go just sit down, we go talk together, we go share idea how we go solve them, and hopefully, and we pray God to just help us. We can solve it. If there is no problem that doesn't have solution, that's what I believe.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say BOBOS and we day and we talk the matter today. They very spoofing. What you go do if you find out, say either your man or your woman they impotent or barren, but he no tell you and she know.
Now, Ogo, I just want to put myself inside that shoe. Go say it don't happen. Say I marry woman and I love her. You know that thing again. You have to consider that love. If na marriage, you be say.
Yeah, but before you marry, you must love girl now.
Not be every marriage.
Not be every marriage.
Now, what for you?
Every marriage loved you.
You been travel.
Okay, now business now. Okay, now business marriage. Contract marriage.
Some people so many marriages.
Some people they marry because of the girl papa, the girl connection, many things.
Some go even marry because say the girl fine.
Because the girl fine.
But whatever is the way make you marry, when you marry, anything where you see inside the thing, now you go take.
But now, hear my own points now. What me go do? I love you. Yeah. Now I feel play a way match, knowingly to me, but it will look like mistake to you. I present them as mistake to you. Say it happen. Now something can result, picking can involve. But I know they marry that person come as second wife. But I can't get picking outside. Instead of to go, I don't say they wrong to add picking. You understand? I know
you know they wrong.
But
me, I go prefer make it be my.
This
I go
thing
prefer
where
make
you
I
talk now.
play way match.
But this thing where you talk
get
now.
them for side.
But this thing where you
then
talk
the
now.
marriage see they go on.
Shakara, this thing where you talk now, you know say, but it can't depend the kind of woman where you marry. Some women they get mad. If you do this thing finish, then go deal with you. Some women get that kind of mind. Wait.
Why?
After we end up find out, say, okay, we don't agree. We don't talk. You get, una don't reach normal agreement between ourselves. I don't reach one small consensus between ourselves. Now, if you can't find out later, but before it resolves, some women feel don't spoil things.
Ogo, let me tell you.
I don't see woman where say she don't poison her husband food. The guy they about to eat the food because of this kind of thing.
Yeah, as an experienced love doctor. No, listen. We don't read time when I need to certify me as a certified love doctor. Now, let me tell you something. In marriage, before you say, unless during a courtship period, when I they discuss things like when you talk, we've discussed here, you must talk. Now, if during courtship I don't spend long time and she don't tell you this thing, then you need to fear that woman. Woman, we go hide something. You don't say man we no say they impotent and no tell your wife. Feel con they no say won't catch the wife they faithful. Con they keep quiet. Because the day when she come and say, honey, I'm pregnant. Now then go, no, oh, are you serious? He know, saying they impotent. How you take carry belly? You don't catch and be that, you know. So maybe one use that angle. Say, I want to if this girl is really faithful.
So if you're really faithful with your impotentism, what do you go do? You don't confirm say.
But wait, we need to understand something again. You know, the impotence itself get two level. One day you know if you score goal, the other one your machine gun no move at all.
We don't want to talk about when that is that's what I'm saying. On any side, it's a very high crime. Imagine I am a woman, and my man, we know that crank before marriage, which is the normal thing we always do. Until we marry, we crank. Now, I enter house on the wedding night, and you can't tell your wife,
I'm tired.
No, honey, go and shower come. I'm just so I'm emotional. I'm just feeling. I want crank. See? You don't feel crank. How you feel say that marriage go last when you start marriage? Even the vow won't I read. You don't break up.
Many people they always portray this fact. Say marriage is not all about cranking.
Oh, now wait.
This one.
The first reason, Shakara?
Especially the highly religious people.
Shakara, these days
procreation.
Now, even religious people go tell you, say, man, if you marry finish, if cranking not the solid, there's a problem somewhere.
Oh yes, and I can put it to you point blank and categorically, like we said there before. For the man point of view, sex is number one. For our mind.
We have because man, make I tell you now. Make I tell you something. Man get 5 major needs women get. Number 1 na cranking. Number 2 na respect. Number 3 trust. Number 4 understanding. Number 5 na food.
This guy don't go very far.
The first one na
cranking. You have gone very far.
I'm telling you.
I don't know about you, Bobby. There are 2 things that men need: sex and food. That is all.
No, that's just like what I used to say. That
yes.
What you really need is just cook some food and serve it naked.
And serve it. Because we have said it here, out of a hole did we come out from as men. For a hole, we are hustling for. We are dying for a hole. And in a hole, we all die. So what is it?
Can I see your opinion?
Must be working.
I'm only I want a hole, but it's your opinion.
I mean, where did the bury person in a hole?
It's your opinion. It's your opinion.
No. I pray and only God go heal him.
That's a very serious situation. I don't be married person waiting impotent because I go don't test them now before we get married.
I don't go do anything, but we go still wait for God time.
How about I go marry person waiting impotent, or probably after the marriage when we don't stay for like a year or 2, I go come discover saying they're impotent. But for the while that we got married at the initial stage, he would have done it, and I would know that he's not impotent. But probably thereafter, he might say that he's impotent, but not when we're about to get married. No.
It's only God that can give the answer to that one.
Just take her like that because he not tell you before. So you just take her.
At first now I go first verse. See, at least if you don't tell me, say see waiting, so I go know waiting and waiting they go into. But waiting now, I don't feel come out for the marriage because I don't marry you for sex. I marry you because I love you, so I go still stay. As a woman, that's the that's the important thing in a marriage, for your husband to satisfy you as a lady.
I need to laugh. Okay. You need to laugh.
Okay.
You know why I'm laughing?
Actually, I've been thinking the most important thing in marriage is to stay married and fear God. And today I just get to
say... No, I used to think it was about children.
The most important thing... No, children, you go crank before you get children.
No, you don't think about the thing.
Abi, you go put a
no, my brother, they put sperm inside that thing they call them.
Artificial insemination.
I go have implants.
Okay,
but I like that girl.
My brother, that girl, she yarn specifically.
They say the reason why...
The number one thing, I'm saying it again. Number one thing in marriage that will make you and your husband come is cranking.
No, you see, Ugo, I would never. You see, there are other things where person feel hide from you. Your partner feel hide from you. Don't tell you before you marry her. Like now, your girl feel no tell them a shower should be before you marry her. If you forgive her, I don't know they know you. I just see an example.
No, I don't complain.
You may look you. I know say.
No, I just look you because if they talk like idiots, I don't know. So just I just look you. I don't talk anything. Continue to talk.
And even here today they laugh for that. So if you marry person now, we no tell you some of those things. But you see, when it comes to issue of cranking, say maybe get on the crank when they don't come all in womb because of abortion, I no tell you. It's different. So you can't say, but I thought you love me, so you would have taken me the way I am. No,
I don't go lie you. That kind of person, just leave on.
No, now for your own mind, say you go leave her. No, they tell people.
No, they tell people. No, they tell people. Say, let me tell you. I have told you. See,
Talk your own.
Say
I will leave him. Everybody get your own choice.
There is how you will love somebody, sincerely speaking. And even when the person can't tell you,
no matter how that love strong,
no,
is, at least he's supposed to tell
now.
you.
Listen, that's what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying, see, two things are involved. There's how you love somebody even before marriage. When you go in fear, I'm coming, to tell the person some things. And there's how, after marriage, the love too strong. When the person don't tell you the thing, you don't even leave the person.
Okay, I just want to give you some sign. Some sign.
So I just say it all.
So in case you want to know whether your partner, they're impotent, and yet children, they're the family. You know, say, one person will get problem of picking, but children, they're the family. And I quite wonder, say, where the children they come from? Now, one side, if your children, they resemble your landlord.
You are a sorry case.
Wait. If they look your picking resemble your landlord, you don't say why you know their house, landlord their house. No. Say they look, and again, if you be person they like to stay house, your wife they like to stay house, your children they like to work out, you know say they get different papa. Then
seriously, seriously, I don't go lie you.
We'll go comment on what Shakara is saying. No. That is Shakara said now.
That's the way you talk now. Well, I agreed, no, but
if it be like joke, but sense with the
matter we didn't say really, it's not a good thing. Make you go through such, make you just be, you know, here say your guy they impotent, your woman they barren, you know that kind of thing. Now very strong thing. No be waiting anybody pray for. But the matter I saying, if there is true love in between, it's still there a little bit easier for the man.
And if to say doctor, they get question we just come my head, but the two of them, I don't know whether I answer this question.
Ask the question.
Go men who they commit for bad drink. Talk to our better one.
Ask the question.
So whether one person crank too much as a young guy or as a bachelor, crank way before he marry, whether I feel lead to being impotent.
One of the things why I know, one of the things why I know say. One of the things why I know say they cause impotency. I know say they say masturbation they cause them sometimes.
I never hear that before.
Yes, I don't hear them. Whip say man just they say every time.
Okay, wait, they come. The
masturbation. I beg masturbation.
Yes,
masturbation.
They cause them sometimes.
Listen,
then I also hear
Listen, masturbation they only cause quick ejaculation.
And I tell you now.
You know my question. You know why I want to challenge you. Let me say this is Mr. A, Mr. B. Mr. A they always meet woman, and a meet woman he could come. Mr. B he always masturbate, he come. You understand? So Mr. B don't masturbate 10 times for his life. Or let's just say 30 times for his life, and he come. Wait, and this one don't meet woman 30 times he come. So you want me say now say because this one they meet woman come 30 times, it means say ain't no stand chance of being impotent. Now this one will be say because he masturbate 30 times. Understand? So
understand what
now I say to say doctor they
allow me. Allow me talk the matter, but that one matter we will still put inside. We must put our yokometer in this matter. Make we do what don't spoil. When we come back, we fire down.
Back in the days, we didn't know the Super Eagles full team. But now, we don't know.
Do you know the reason why?
I don't know you talk. I won't ask you. I mean, can you give me the first 11? You love football of Super Eagles.
No. Not matter of giving the first 11. The reason why we say, we don't say those days, then the day person where they play this wing, they sabi play and well.
Like the class of 94.
No,
they from front to the back.
Even if during the Samokparaji time, they credible. You know, but now somebody go bribe, somebody brother push them, somebody will no person for NFF.
So corruption don't enter.
So when they use you play today, they come see the court tell you, oh God, that your boy, sorry, we no feel that next time. So that make the score the change.
But why be say we no figure consistency?
No, you know why? We build now.
We don't get time again. Just read 1 or 2 tweets. Sharp.
No, we need to read some tweets.
No, we don't get time.
Augusta Chioma, as far as there is the seed, before we get married, I go divorce am sharp. Amaka Perpetua, what is marriage without getting to enjoy the fun? Well, you are already married, so you need to get a solution, or better still, take the case to God. I'll take one guy. I they come. Ma just
Shakara, I see they find the tweet. So give me your last
find one guy. Just they talk.
My own be say.
I get where to go.
If my own be say, now for me, no be say they say make you do one. If it happen to me, I go just like play with match, get 1 or 2 outside, then the marriage will continue like that. They go.
Show one.
Well, EJ Bashir Ogui said now to move. I must stay aware. If she know she come hide them, he don't end. Well, basically, what have we talked? We say you don't need to hide anything. No matter the waiting be the gravity of waiting be the problem. Tell your partner, because if you don't tell them, it be like corruption. It be like say you know. You just won't cover up from the guy, enter. So please tell them.
Yes, so now don't hear every for me, Ugo Matthews, I go tell you, say if you did that kind of situation, I beg, in order to avoid some stories that touch, try adopt. It's the best solution with that. Try adopt.
Wait, who carry us go adoption again? Who carry us go adoption? Sakara? Why?
The way that you do anything that you do, that's sweet for body. It's only I'm wanting, sweet chocolate body. Tell them all the boys that I'm potting. I'm hotting. This love you, they sweet me like party rice. I put you around like a new device. I follow my heart, no wrong advice. I'ma treat you nice, I'ma treat you nice. Only 1+1, that's equal to you and I. So baby, you know for my heart, and I know go for your heart, for your heart. 1+1, that's equal to you and I. So baby, you know for my heart, and I know go for your heart. I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Baby, don't break my heart, so break my heart.